Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start inside an Office app because language settings apply across the suite. Open Word or Excel and go to File then Options. This opens the dialog you need. Once the Options window is visible, click Language on the left. You're looking at two lists, Editing Languages and Display/Help Languages. Make sure you already downloaded any language packs you need. If not, pause here to download one from Microsoft Update before continuing, because installed packs appear in these lists. Now add your desired language. Click Add a Language, pick the language, and confirm. Once added, use the Set as Default button for editing language to make it primary for typing and proofing. For display and help languages, choose the language and click Set as Default too. These control menus and help text. If Office prompts to download proofing tools or a language pack, accept and let it install. Once done, restart all Office apps so the changes fully apply. Finish by closing every Office application and reopening one to confirm the new language is active in menus and spell check. If the display language didn't switch, make sure the corresponding language pack is installed and you set it as default for display. Then reboot Windows. If problems persist, run Quick Repair or Online Repair from Control Panel Programs Office 2019. One quick troubleshooting tip. Sign out of Office.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.